My name is Michael Hamlin, and I'm a sales engineer. Thank you for giving me a few minutes of your time. I wanted to do something a little out of the ordinary, so I created this video resume. A good sales engineer will instill confidence in the potential customer. I would like to summarize a few of the strengths that enable me to do so. With my industry experience and calm demeanor, I'm able to inspire credibility with the customer that serves to drive the sales cycle forward. I'm able to pull from my 11 years of experience as a sales engineer, 8 years combined experience as a network engineer and server administrator, and 6 years experience installing, configuring, and troubleshooting unified communications and customer experience solutions. I have held several positions and industry certifications for each of these job titles. I sincerely listen and acknowledge the business challenges that the customer reveals as they feel they can trust our sales team. While many listen to respond, I have learned over my years of experience to hear the customer, to understand and acknowledge the needs of their business. I have learned the importance of asking open-ended questions to draw out critical information from the customer, rather than making assumptions about the customer's needs. Armed with this vital information, I'm able to demonstrate and present business solutions and not just a feature demo. I am just as comfortable discussing business challenges with the C-level as I am communicating on a technical level with the IT staff. Building trust with the customer comes from the ability to connect on a personal level. Sometimes you're able to do this by addressing the business needs, and sometimes it's the ability to make them the hero within the company by solving critical issues. An SE needs the ability to link the solution, which is our product or platform, to the customer's critical needs. Doing this will help build the customer's confidence, and we will continue to build a rapport with the customer every time we connect. Now let's jump into the details of my resume. I'm seeking a position where I can utilize my sales engineering experience to step in and contribute to a dynamic team environment, while continuing to expand and deepen my knowledge. I thoroughly enjoy learning new technologies and sharing those innovations with others. I strongly believe that technology can transform a business, and I would enjoy being part of an organization that's driving that transformation. Now let's jump into the details of my previous 4 positions, starting with my most recent role, Consulting Solutions Architect. In December of 2020, I was promoted from Sales Engineer to Consulting Solutions Architect at Mitel. As some of you know, in November 2021, Mitel entered into a partnership with RingCentral, whereby Mitel ceased to sell its own cloud solution to focus on its premise technology. RingCentral became the exclusive UCaaS provider for Mitel. This dramatically changed my role. I welcomed the challenge of learning the new platform and was able to pivot quickly to become the subject matter expert for my team on RingCentral. I helped lead the team in our Mitel endpoint migration efforts as we migrated thousands of Mitel endpoints across hundreds of customers over to RingCentral. In this time, I was able to achieve above 100% quota with a personal 78% win rate, which led me to being responsible for 5.5 million annual recurring revenue and migrations to RingCentral. Throughout 2021, prior to the RingCentral partnership, I was able to assist the UCaaS SE team on more complex opportunities, many of which are medium to enterprise level businesses. Engaging regularly with the customer enabled me to act as the voice of the customer to product management. Additionally, I was able to bring new features and functions forward for training with the sales and SE teams. Across the entirety of my tenure in this role with Mitel, I was heavily involved in channel enablement, whether it's co-leading the monthly enablement webinar with hundreds of attendees or a one-on-one with specific partner. I really enjoy being able to transfer knowledge and enable success in other organizations and individuals. Prior to my promotion to Consulting Solution Architect in December of 2020, I was acting as the UCaaS sales engineer with Mitel. My SE team and I were focused on the flagship product, Mitel UCaaS solution, MyCloud Connect. This is where I was able to utilize my personal strengths that we covered earlier to work with the Mitel channel and directly with customers to perform customer discovery, conduct pointed solution demos, covering both unified communications and contact center as a service, and enable partners to increase their recurring revenue model with Mitel. As an IT field technician with Spectrum VoIP, I was responsible for the installation and, in a lot of cases, the reconfiguration of existing network equipment, including routers, switches, firewalls, and other network peripherals. Installation of voice over IP hardware and UCaaS applications. The configuration of IP circuits. I also perform projects such as configuration of point-to-point campus wireless infrastructure and inter-site VPN configurations. Finally, in the Cloud Solutions Architect role at Mitel, I was solely responsible for assisting wholesale and Mitel solutions providers to define, build, and deliver retail cloud communications offerings to the market. I was tasked with engineering the components needed to fit the partner solution based on the services they wanted to provide to the market, and have the ability to communicate that solution to technical and non-technical business principles. Additionally, I built much of the documentation and tools to support that partner-delivered model. Other previously held positions within Mitel were sales engineering for Mitel's various unified communications and contact center platforms, covering the TOLA region. From 2006 to 2011, I acted as a field engineer, where I was responsible for installing, troubleshooting those same user and customer experience tools. I have also held industry certifications where it was applicable to my position. These include Cisco CCNA and the much respected CCNP certifications, the Microsoft Certified Professional with Internet Specialization, and the Microsoft Certified System Engineer. Other notable accreditations specific to the unified communications industry that I hold are CompTIA's Converged Technology Professional, too many Mitel certifications to name, and RingCentral's Administration and RingCentral Contact Center certifications, as well as various TalkDesk certifications. I want to wrap up as I started by thanking you for your interest and consideration. I don't take lightly you spending the last few minutes of your time learning more about me. If you feel like I'd be a good fit within your organization or know of a position where I can contribute to the business, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on LinkedIn or via my personal email at michaelhamlin76@gmail.com.